Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stop your Mac from sleeping and keep your screen on. This works the same whether you're using a MacBook, a MacBook Pro, or even an iMac. First, click on System Settings. A new window will appear. Now scroll down on the left side until you see the screensaver option, and then on the right-hand side click on Lock Screen Settings. Here you'll find some important options. First one is about starting the screensaver when inactive, but you don't really need to change that for today's purpose. The second option is the one that matters most. It says Turn Display Off on Battery when inactive. By default, this might be set to 2 minutes. That means if you don't touch your Mac for 2 minutes, the screen will automatically turn off. To prevent that, you can increase the time to 30 minutes, 1 hour, or simply set it to never. The next option is Turn Display Off on Power Adapter when inactive. This applies when your Mac is plugged in and charging. Again, you can change the time here or just set it to never so your screen stays on even while charging. Once you've made these changes, your Mac screen will no longer go to sleep automatically unless your battery runs out. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more Mac tips and tricks.